Hello and welcome. Thanks for coming. Couponing 101. Healthy doesn't have to be expensive. Learning the basics of couponing and save money on grocery items. Discover how you can get name brand products for low cost or even free. Yes, free. Getting started. Lesson 1. Who am I? Christine Pugh, Wellness and Health Promotion Services, Sexual Wellness Coordinator. I have over 20 plus years experience in couponing. I can be reached via email, christine.pugh@ucf.edu, or by phone 407-823-5841. Objectives: getting started. Supplies: when, where, and how. What are coupon inserts? Coupon insert schedule, coupon lingo/terms. What you need: a printer for printing online coupons, a laptop or computer, a plastic file folder with dividers and labels, store flyers, your local newspaper, scissors, pen, or highlighter. I recommend a pen or highlighter just in case you need to jot down reminders or highlight a particular item in your sales ad. When, where, and how. When? When do you want to set aside a day and time you'd like to start couponing? Where? What stores you'd like to start couponing in? How? How much time would you like to commit to couponing, and how much are you looking to save? Coupon inserts. There's 3 types of coupon inserts. You have your Procter & Gamble, which is PG. You have your Smart Source, which is SS. You have Retail Me Not, which is RMN. P&G is published monthly. Smart Source and Retail Me Not are published weekly or bi-weekly. Here is your coupon insert schedule. This is similar to a cheat sheet that's telling you when you should purchase a newspaper, so you will not be going out spending $4 on a newspaper when there are no coupons in the newspaper. So say for instance, if you want to start May 3rd in your newspaper, you should have 2 Retail Me Nots and 1 Smart Source. Coupon lingo from A to Z. Terms that you will need to know in order to coupon and correspond back and forth on various coupon websites on Facebook or Instagram. We will discuss couponing groups later in the lesson. And here are some more commonly used coupon terms here. So for instance, OOP means out of pocket, in reference to how much money you will actually pay at the register. So for instance, if your total comes up to be $20, you give the cashier your coupon, it drops your total down to $5. So your out-of-pocket expense was $5, your savings were $15. Thank you for coming and happy couponing.